Hi guys, today we'll be tearing down this Lenovo battery. It's a 42T4677, this is the part number, and it's dead. This battery is for a selection of Lenovo laptops, the TNR1661 and TNR 400 models. It should be a 6-cell battery, so let's see. It's 10.8 volts, 5.2 amp hours. As you can see, there is some rust here, so something happened. Yep. This one smells bad, so it's most likely already dead. Okay, let's test them out. This one is 0. This is the one that actually leaked. 2.65, not bad, but not very good. 2.65, so these two are pair. Oh, 3.69, this one is good. This one is okay as well. So this one should be 0. Yep. So this battery leaked and actually ruined the whole pack and this battery as well. So I'll still test this one, but most likely these two will be recycled, while the other I'll test and see if they have and if they hold enough energy. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye.